In this video, we are demonstrating a new project, and today project is gas portal booking systems. We have made this project using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL. For the database, we are using MySQL. The complete detail of this project you can check from our website. Just enter gas, and it will show you the result. The first result you can select, and it will show you the exact detail of this project. Before starting this project, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel because we have uploaded loads of projects, the different programming languages. So if you are a last year student and if you are looking for project, so you can check our YouTube channel because we have uploaded loads of project, and we also develop the project according to the student requirements. So if you have any requirements, so you can connect with us to developing that project. This project we have three modules. One is for admin, consumer, and distributor. Total number of consumer, we can select the manage distributor. It will show you the list of the consumers. It will show the list of distributor. And view consumer, if we if we select the consumer, it will show the list of consumer, how many consumer that distributor have. So in this, like, this is the distributor name, J Ganesh Agency. Inside the distributor have the four consumers. The two is activate, one is not registered, and one is deactivated. Similar way, we can edit any detail and we can delete also any detail of that distributor. This is the feedback sections. Inside the feedback, all the feedback are displayed here. We can search by the distributor or we can search by the name. These feedbacks are given by the consumers to the distributor, and that distributor are displaying here. Now we just now open the different modules. We sign up as a new distributor. Now I just enter the distributor name, decode it. Now address is test. Pin code is 123123. We have to enter correct email ID. I'm using a test email ID for my, because it will send you the email to your email ID. We have to enter the phone number, add ID proof like PAN card or anything. I just upload in dummy image. Enter the password. Same, enter the confirmation password and submit. Okay, it's saying it's not matching the number. Now it's correct. Your distributor ID is 13 and it used for the login. Now your response has been registered. After verification, you will be notified. First, admin have to verify the distributor, and after that, the distributor can log in. So I need to log in again as an admin, and need to verify the customer. Need to verify the distributor. Just log in as again, and as admin, select manage distributor. Now you can see that it's showing that deactivated. I need to activate this. Activate, and after that update. Now this distributor can log in now. Before, if I do not activate this distributor, then this distributor cannot log in. Now this distributor showing the activate. Now this distributor can log in. Open as a distributor. Select this distributor. We have the ID and the password. Login, and now this is the login. Also, the email ID that we have provided, send it to email. You can check. Account state, your account has been activated. Now you can use it. This is this email ID, send it by the online gas station. Now this is the first email ID. This is the first email. This is the panel for the distributor. Manage consumer. Currently we don't have any consumer. Check order, view feedback. Currently we don't have any customer, so we don't have any feedback also. I'm just adding a new consumer. Entering ID 103, name test, and test. Address is also test. Pin code 123123. Phone number, I need to enter the phone number 90121212. Now I need to enter a valid email ID while adding a consumer. So I'm using the same email ID as I did for the distributor. I'm using this email ID because it will send you the email, so I can check from here. submit. Now we have one customer. The detail of the customer is here. Currently the status for the customer is not registered because customer have to register by themselves. So how they can register? They need to use this customer ID and this phone number. Check order. Currently we don't have any order, so I just registered a customer. I need to enter the email ID of the customer ID, phone number. I think I just forgot the number, but I have entered. I need to log in again. Distributor ID 123 and then login. I need to copy the phone number of that customer and then add to and then save that phone number so that I can create a new customer, so that I can create my ID. Now log out, and the ID was 103, and enter the valid phone number, create a password, same for the password. Now we have created our ID as a new customer. Your registration has been done. You can log in now. Now as a customer we can log in now. Login, go to the login page, enter the customer ID and can enter the password. Now login. This is the customer dashboard. Customer can book new gas cylinder, track order history and feedbacks. Here I can provide any feedback to my website related test to the distributor, or I can just complain other subject by price high and send that complaint to the distributor. Order history, currently we don't have any order history. Track your refill, it's showing the blank because we haven't updated any, or we haven't ordered anything. So just confirm order. Now it will confirming the order and your order has been placed. Now you can check from here, it will showing the pending detail because only distributor can accept this and can confirm the order. Order history, currently we don't have any order history. This is the tracking refill system. Also we got an email, your order has been, order ID and amount payment is 475. You can change this amount by adding your email. I just added a dummy email, so you can change this email. You can change this amount. Now we can just log in. Now we can just log in as a distributor, and as a distributor we have, now we got a new order ID 13, login as a distributor. And now this time we will got two things, one is for the complaint and one is for the order. Check the feedback. This is the feedback that the customer has provided, and check the orders. We have this order, you can select the approve order, and after approving it will show on the consumer, it will show the consumer, and this is the mail that you will get. Order ID, your order has been approved. And after that you can change the status like out for delivery. After that out for delivery, and after that in the last you can just select as delivered. After delivered it will show into this table, in a bottom table. And also you will get an email like here, your order has been approved, your order is out for delivery. So everything you will get an email. We have successfully delivered your order, and you will can contact us if you have any query regarding to the service. So you will get an email for everything. Now this time the order is showing in the delivered orders. Manage consumer, you can manage your consumer, like activate or deactivate or delete anything. You can update from here. Add a connection, you can create a new connection. Distributor, this is the panel for the distributor. Now I just log out and log in as a consumer again, so that we can check. It should reflect in the consumer dashboard also. Login. Now login as a consumer, check our order, booking order. Okay, track your refill. This is empty because we haven't do any booking, and this is just a warning, this is not an error, so you can skip, don't worry about this. Order history, This is our order and deliver. The payment amount is 450, and this is the complaining that we are complaining to the distributor. And these all details are also displayed on the admin section, so you can check out the admin also. This is all about this project. Thank you for watching this video.